The bay window gazebo was sold at Sears. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-GZ120PST-2D. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 10 by 12, two-tiered with a domed curved roof structure. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are U-shaped panels with a lattice design. Canopy has a valance. Original canopy was two-toned in color. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the bay window gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We are here to help.